Let's try to do some lifts and extract using the in and out point and the blade tool and the extend, edit, and so on. We want to mix these techniques. Let's say, for example, here I will zoom in using Alt mouse scroll or Option mouse scroll on the Mac, and I wanted this light to appear. Then I want it to appear until here. Then I want to cut from this point to, for example, this point. Cool. How can I do that? Well, one way that I want to show you is using marking on the timeline. So I will set the in point. I just press I set the in point here. Then come over here and set, for example, the out point. So now I have a certain highlighted area. Notice whatever is going to be lifted or cut is the highlighted area. And you notice that the video is not highlighted. Notice the audio is highlighted, the video is not highlighted. That's because I have the wrong selection. So I'll put on the selection for the video. Now they are highlighted, and I can do a lift, as you know, I will undo, or shift backspace, which will be an extract. So actually now I cut a piece of the clip using the in and out point as you have seen. So you can set your in point, set the out point, make sure you have the right selection, and you can use backspace or shift backspace for lift or extract. That's pretty cool. Now to remove the in and out point, you already know that. It's Alt X, or on the Mac is Option X. Now let's go to another clip. I want to show you something else here. Let's come over here. Also I will zoom in, but not much. Okay. And then I want to create a gap over here. I want to start from here. Okay, from the beginning till here. I'm cool with it. For example, then I want to cut from where the playhead is now until, for example, over here. You can use the in and out point. That's pretty cool. But let me show you a nice way. If you go for the blade and you cut exactly where you want, doesn't matter where the playhead is, for example, over here. Then if you click and drag where you want to finish the cut or where you want the in point to be, and then make sure you have the right selection. We don't want to cut this layer, and we don't want to cut the audio from video 1. And we have set that you are going to cut video 2. Then simply press Shift left bracket. Here you are, nice editing technique. So now I have the hole or the gap, if you like, and I'm cool. And all I used is the blade, and it's very easy. Okay, so let's do it the other way around. Let's come over here, and we use the blade. Then we come over here, and you say, okay, we want to create a gap here. For example, you have more B-roll that you want to put down, and then you press Shift right bracket, it's cut. Combination of blade and playhead to end and playhead to start will give you easy lift and extract for your clips. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you in the next lecture.